but the expression where words enter the image like speech bubbles. Although there is no paneling, it captures the flow of time within a single frame. This emotional approach of Peynet can be said to be an elemental presence in mid-20th century comics history. Peynet's style, at first glance, greets the flow of contemporary art. For example, conceptual art and political art combined. Installation art and similar works seem somewhat distant now. However, considering the questioning and minimalism, fundamental and intrinsic to contemporary modern art, Peynet challenges the legitimacy of art that exists only in museums, offering everyday life scenes that truly touch and reach everyone's heartfelt emotions. This exactly represents both modern and postmodern core values.